Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this video, I am starting covering the syllabus for UPSC Prelims 2025. Since the 2024 Prelims has over, those aspirant who have cracked the prelims, they will prepare for their mains examination. But the student who are intended to appear in 2025, for them this video and the upcoming video which will come in my channel will be very beneficial for them. So let me tell you the approach what I'm using. First of all, I will cover all the conceptual clarity of all the GS subject through the PYQ. I pick one PYQ, just underline all the important key concepts. I will first explain the key concepts, and also then I will solve the previous year question by telling you the tricks and how you can modify your concepts and how you can modify your concept and use it to solve the complex question. So this is the first question which comes in 2024 prelims examination this year, which held in 16th of June. So suppose, and also this is not only with respect to the geography. In this channel I am covering all the GS portion: geography, economics, polity, environment, and many more other science and tech and history, everything. So for that you require to subscribe my channel so that you can get the quality content at free of cost. So you can see one or two videos. If you like it, you can watch continuously, and otherwise there are many more channels also. So I'm very straightforward towards it, because it's all about how you crack the examination, not about to see my video. Okay, so we start with the first question. So the question is, the atmosphere is heated. Two statement is given. We need to talk about both the statement and then give our answer about which one is correct and wrong. So first statement is, the atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation. First of all, two term is involved. First is incoming solar radiation, okay, which is also called as insolation, and this is a short wave solar radiation. This much information we require. This is short wave solar radiation, okay. And second is terrestrial radiation. And one more information, incoming solar radiation is coming from the sun directly. We know that whatever the energy that is present in earth is because of sun, because sun is the only source of energy towards the earth. So this is coming from sun. That's why it is called solar radiation. And second is terrestrial radiation. Terrestrial radiation is some property we see first. It is a long wave radiation, and since by name it suggests radiation, by name it suggests it is dissipated from terrestrial, matlab earth surface. It is dissipated from earth surface. Okay, so this much information we have from the first statement. And now first of all, I'm just picking up the key concept, whatever the term involved, so that you have the clarity over it. Then only you are able to answer it, because this might be the easy question, but some question may be complex by incorporating these words. So you must be sure about each and every word which is used in this statement. Second, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are good absorber of wavelength, long wave radiation. So that also we have covered, that insolation is a short wave radiation and terrestrial radiation is a long wave radiation. Now the second concept is that here it is written good absorber. So you must keep in mind that key, suppose radiation come, insolation come. So what are the possibilities happen to the insolation? There are three possibilities. First, it get scattered. It get scattered by the dust particle present in the atmosphere. This is first possibility. Second possibility, it get completely reflected back. Reflected back. So reflected back by two possibility still there. Reflected back by cloud present in atmosphere, and second, it is reflected back by the terrestrial ice or snow cover, because we have seen that in many part of the earth, the ice and snow cover are there, that is not able to absorb the energy, the radiation. So that causes the reflection of the terrestrial, reflection of the insolation. So this is the second case. And third case is absorption. So absorption is also by two element. Either it is the insolation is absorbed by the gases present in atmosphere, because in the second statement you see carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is absorber of the statement is given the long wave radiation. We'll see later. So one thing is clear, that the gases present in an atmosphere is a absorber of radiation, either by solar radiation, either by insolation or a terrestrial radiation. And second, the radiation is absorbed by earth surface. So this we must be clear about ki what will happen to the radiations, either by insolation or the terrestrial radiation. This we clear. And one more important we must clear, that more important point, the earth surface never retain any heat. What does it mean? It means that if suppose 100 unit of insolation is absorbed by earth, so the same 100 unit will be dissipated or lost by earth over the period of time. If you see a particular time, you might see that the net energy absorbed by earth is some positive number, but over the period of time, whatever the energy absorbed by the earth surface, the same amount of energy will be dissipated. Means net energy retained by the earth surface is zero over the period of time. This you must be clear. But at a particular point of time, you have the energy, some energy. So that we will see. So these conceptual clarities happen. Now we start seeing that the breakout of this insolation and the breakout of this terrestrial radiation, ki how much is scattered, how much is reflected, and how much is absorbed. Now first of all we will see for the insolation. Okay, so with this is a diagram. This we considered as the upper atmosphere, and this is the earth surface. Be careful and थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा यहाँ पर आप लोग. Now suppose insolation fall here. Insolation, you know that it's a short wave solar radiation. Suppose 100 unit or 100% falls. So first we see how much gets scattered. Suppose there is a dust particle in between there. This is a dust particle, and from 100, 23 unit is striking on the dust particle. Out of 23 unit, 6 unit got scattered out, and remaining 17 unit got absorbed by the earth surface. This is first. Second, what is this? Second is reflection. So reflection by two, cloud and terrestrial, ice and snow. So first of all we see how much reflected by cloud. Now suppose there is a cloud. This is cloud. So from 23 or from cloud, it is reflected 27 unit. 27 unit fall back on a cloud, and it is completely reflected out of the atmosphere. This is second scenario. And third scenario is what? Absorbed by gaseous and earth surface. We'll see that the terrestrial ice. So first of all see terrestrial ice. Earth surface, suppose 36 unit directly fall on the earth surface. Of this 36 unit, 34 unit is absorbed by earth surface, and 2 unit got reflected out of, just line I will draw out of. This is the atmosphere, upper atmosphere ending point. So 2 unit, मैं 2 यहाँ ही लिख देता हूँ, so that you know that कि 2 unit reflected out of the atmosphere. So this 2 unit because of the snow and ice cover of the earth surface, because of snow and ice cover. This is clear. And what remains? The other remains is the absorption by the gases present in an atmosphere. So the 14 units, so I'm drawing here, 14 units is absorbed. So now if you want to calculate, you can calculate here easily. That 14 unit, I'm just encircle with the green one, so that this is the amount which is absorbed by the gases present in an atmosphere. So total there is 100 में 23 is scattered, 27 is reflected, 23 plus 27 50, and out of 50, 34 is absorbed by earth surface, 84, 2 is reflected back by the ice and snow, 86, or 14 is absorbed by the gases present, 100. So this 100 heat budget is completed for the insolation part. Now the same thing we will do that. First of all, same thing we will do for the terrestrial radiation. And you know that what is terrestrial radiation? The radiation which is earth is having. So from the insolation, and you know that the source of energy of the earth is only the solar radiation. So how much earth radiation currently having? So you can see that 17 unit and 34 unit, this is absorbed by the earth, means this is act as a terrestrial radiation. So 17 plus 34, that is equal to 51 unit. That means 51 unit or 51%, whatever you can take, is the terrestrial radiation at a particular point of time are having. Now we can see that we know that earth never retain any heat with them. So this 51 unit, how it dissipated, that we will see. So first of all, we draw the same upper atmosphere. This is upper atmosphere, and this is the earth surface. And we know that earth surface, we have total of 51 unit of energy. Okay, and now how it will be dissipated, we see. So the first 23 unit, we'll see, first 23 unit is reflected back, in which 17 directly reflected back out of the atmosphere, and 6 unit is absorbed by the gases present in the atmosphere. This 6 unit, okay. And now 9 unit is absorbed by the gases through convection. Those person who don't know what is convection, so the simple definition of convection is, I'm writing here so that you can also write it, you can make the notes of it, it will be helpful. So the convection is a vertical move, it's a vertical movement of heat and moisture in the atmosphere. So if the vertically heat and moisture is moving, so this phenomena is called convection. So 9 unit is absorbed by the gases through convection, and again the remaining 19 units is absorbed by condensation phenomena. And you know that what is condensation, so let me explain little bit of condensation. First of all, let me explain the what is vaporization. Vaporization means conversion of liquid water into the vapor state. Whenever there is a liquid water, water in liquid form will get heated up. If we provide heat to the liquid water, then it will convert it to the water vapor. So this phenomena, water vapor. So this phenomena is called vaporization. So condensation is just opposite to the vaporization. If the water vapor is converted to the liquid water, this is called condensation. And you know that if water vapor is converted to the liquid vapor, then some heat is released. This point. So that's why in condensation, water vapor is released to liquid water, and heat is released. So this 19 unit of heat is released by condensation, and that is absorbed by the gases present. So this 9 unit from convection and 19 unit from water from condensation, both are absorbed by the air gases present in an atmosphere. So in this terrestrial radiation, we just count how much amount or how much unit of radiation is absorbed. This 6 unit first we see, then is this 9 unit for convection, and condensation 19 unit. Just count it, 9 9 18 6 24, 2 carry 34, means 34 unit of terrestrial radiation is absorbed by the earth surface, sorry, absorbed by the gases present in the atmosphere. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन पे. What are the questions? Question first statement is the atmosphere is heated more by incoming radiation than the terrestrial radiation. ठीक है, यहाँ atmosphere लिखा है, not earth surface. ठीक है, atmosphere means the gases present. So gases, देखिए फर्स्ट केस में इंसोलेशन में कितना हीट हुआ है, 14 यूनिट. 14 unit is absorbed by, or 14 unit is heated. The term heated is used here. That heated, that means absorbed or heated are same in this case. So from the insolation, 14 unit is 14 unit of atmosphere is heated, or 14 unit of heat is absorbed by atmosphere, or in the case of terrestrial radiation, you can see 34 unit. So the first statement is wrong, because terrestrial is 34, and insolation only 14. So first statement is wrong, because, and now come to the second statement. The carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are good absorber of long wave radiation. ठीक है, so again the same question कि in which case the insolation, sorry यहाँ terrestriality है, this is insolation, this is terrestrial. ठीक है। एंड सेकंड बोला गया है कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड अदर गैसेस इन द एटमॉस्फेयर आर गुड ऑब्जर्वर ऑफ लॉन्ग वेव। तो लॉन्ग वेव कहाँ है? देखिए ये हमें पता है कि इंसोलेशन इज अ शॉर्ट वेव, तो शॉर्ट वेव ओनली ऑब्जर्व 14 यूनिट एंड लॉन्ग वेव इज अ टेरेस्ट्रियल एंड टेरेस्ट्रियल ऑब्जर्व 34 यूनिट। मतलब सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज एक्जैक्टली राइट। So second statement here it is right. So option will be, what is the correct option? The last one. Just see, statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So from this thing you have seen I have solved the one PYQ of 2024 prelims. And what are the topic that you have completely clear about? First of all, you know what is insolation, it is short wave or long wave, what is the source, and completely heat budget, that insolation how much percentage is absorbed, scattered or reflected, and by what phenomena. So this give you the complete picture in your mind, so that in the next prelims or in any next examination, if the question come related to the heat budget, you are in a way, you are in the position to answer it correctly, even the complex question occur. So this is my way of approach. I mean in starting it very early, so that the people who are intended to give the prelims examination in 2025, they must make their conceptual clarity very strong. For that, you can follow, you can subscribe my channel, because I will delve deep into the concepts with the PYQ, and I will provide every possible help and every possible conceptual clarity which is there in the UPSC syllabus via the PYQ. First of all, once the PYQ of from 2024 till 2013, if it is completed, or maybe I will go further back to that. After completion, I will deep dive into the remaining topics that is in the current affair, and I will try to solve it that also. So for today, and also one request from my side, like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the early notification as soon as I will upload the video. And if you can share this video to your other aspirants, to your friend, so that it will boost my motivation. Okay, so thank you for today, we'll meet in the next video.